Our walk-behind tractors range from 7 to 22 horsepower and available with both manual and electric start options. Additionally, we can provide various attachments according to your needs. If you wish to place an order for our products, simply confirm the following details. 1. What horsepower do you require? 2. Do you prefer manual or electric start? 3. How many units do you need? 4. Are any attachments required? With these information, we can then provide you with an exact quotation.